Can you tell us how the company is contributing in the big data analytics and business intelligence industry of the nation, and how the company is benefiting the clients?
Yeah, so we have customers that are over $100 billion in revenue. So very big companies with lots of data. Our niche as a company is kind of focused, as I mentioned, about the ERP. So when we talk about big data and streaming data sets, they're growing in millions, if not billions, of records in an hour or a day or whatnot. That's not typically what we see in the ERP space, but we do have several customers, over a billion. But the sweet spot for us is under a billion. So I think how I would say we're contributing in the big data space and BI across the board, but when it comes to big data, is really again, one of the key pieces of information is making sure you've got good data to be able to go through the machine learning exercises and address it to find those insights to make and lead to better decision making. And so for us, it's the framework. We're providing customers with that governed decision framework or a governed data model, that single source of truth that they know is going to be critical to that next step in their exercise. So really, it's I would say our largest customers we're pulling into our data model that is around over the ERP in the hundreds of millions of records to over a billion. But yeah, I think from a technology stack, again, focus in the ERP and CRM space that we're in. Customers still want to leverage, the latest and greatest, and so, we're currently building out future quick launch solutions to support Azure Data Lake, Azure Synapse, Snowflake, those other technologies that are kind of used by a lot of those, advanced companies that are taking the next step in their data maturity around analytics.